Manufacturing excellent cooking products combining high-profile engineering and the elegance of a beautiful design. That is our mission. Excellence concerns all manufacturing processes, and in particular, our factory, the very heart of the company, where Bertazzoni products are brought into existence. Paolo Bertazzoni, CEO of the company, decided in the early 2000s to change the production system from a Fordist one, inspired by Taylor's economic theories, to the Toyota production system, also known as lean production, a formula capable of increasing production profitability, flexibility, and especially product quality while maintaining a direct line with the new market demands. This lean production system represents today the maximum ability to comply with customer needs and to optimize the available resources. Toyota House lays its foundations on two main concepts, defined as muda and Jidoka. Muda means eliminating waste, reducing all non-value-adding processes. Production must perfect each single process by reducing all the key factors leading to waste and loss of efficiency by optimizing the available resources. Jidoka means keeping the production process in balance. The production phase runs like a marathon runner who must maximize efforts and perform to the best of his or her ability, not for a limited amount of time, but for a long time span. The market, the suppliers, and the factory must work in unison, following perfect timing, like the ticking of a metronome. Tact time. Two more pillars of the Toyota House are just-in-time and Jidoka. Just-in-time is perhaps the best-known feature of the Toyota system. It consists of the ability to produce and buy only what you really need at a given time. The factory no longer pushes the products in the moment, as was the case with the production system theorized by Taylor and made famous by Ford, whereby economies of scale and a large market demand allowed the storage of finished products in stocks ready for sale. Just-in-time allows you, when a new order is placed, to activate all the parts involved in the production of that consignment in that moment. All the phases, such as the purchase of raw materials, the production, the assembly, quality control, and shipping of the finished product, must coordinate and work in unison in order to meet the customer needs. Push versus pull. Jidoka. This pillar allows the factory to be independent in following the rhythm of the market. The office circumscribes the scope of the factory's action. The management estimates, for example, the amount of knobs that will be bought in a year. The factory, instead, manages all the activities within its scope autonomously, such as the amount of knobs that have to be delivered daily. Independence also means stopping the production process to report a problem. You are not allowed to move to the following step until you have solved the problem. Production has both the ability and the duty to strive for continuous improvement by solving any problem that may arise during the production process. Improvement, or Kaizen, means empowering people. Bertazzoni believes it is fundamental to respect each person, placing him or her at the core of business and factory dynamics. The production organization makes use of a strong visual component. Everything has to be clear and visually accessible to everyone. For instance, the component refill is operated following the Kanban system, whereby the person in charge of assembling can rearrange the components used during the assembling process, thanks to identification cards and scan codes. This is done virtually by inserting the reference matrix into appropriate basket. The warehouse clerk retrieves the supply request and delivers what is needed to the requesting station. The use of a barcode allows the management information system to maintain the storage of material in balance without having too many stocks in store or shortages of stocks of useful components for the production process. This optimization ability reduces costs and ensures production flexibility. The factory is also equipped with a clear and effective Jidoka board, listing the orders assigned to each production line for up to 1 week. This allows workers to materially see the process of the production orders. The assembly line board also stands out inside our factory. The person in charge of operating the board allocates resources to predetermined stations, according to their skills. All workers display the list of their skills on their reference card. Each cell corresponds to a specific skill. The company strongly believes in the importance of training its workers. Every worker is therefore encouraged to improve his or her skills for professional improvement and a salary increase. These skills allow the company to be flexible in terms of customization of orders up to the production of batches, whose quantity can be equal to 1. Customer needs are often unique, and production has to be highly reactive in order to comply with orders and market requirements from over 60 countries worldwide. Excellence is a ceaseless improvement process involving every feature of the company, from research and development to the installation of Bertazzoni products in kitchens all over the world. Highest quality plus lowest cost plus shortest lead time are continuous incentives to achieve excellence. Excellence is our only goal.